Today we are making a delicious honey bun cake. Let's get to these ingredients. We have a box of yellow cake mix and we're going to add that to our bowl. Next I have a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar. We have 4 eggs. Now I'm going to add 3/4 cups of vegetable oil, a cup of buttermilk. Next, I'm going to add in some almond extract. Now, we're just going to go ahead and mix this all together. You want to make sure that everything is incorporated. I make this cake all the time. It's real easy, real simple. I have made it from scratch and I have made it from the box cake. So you can never go wrong. This is a delicious honey bun cake recipe. And I'm just mixing it up, make sure that the eggs and everything is well combined. That's one thing you want to do, but you don't want to overdo it. So we are making the honey bun filling. We're adding a cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. We're just going to mix all that together, make sure that it is well combined, and we're going to set it to the side. Here you want to get you a pan like a 13x9. We're going to preheat our oven to 325 degrees. Going to go ahead and spread with my non-stick spray. You want to make sure that you get all sides. Now for our cake batter, we're going to pour half of our cake batter in our 13x9. And here we're going to go ahead and add our brown sugar mix. You want to make sure that you do that a little bit evenly, light on the sprinkling, so you can save some for the top of your cake. And now we're just going to go ahead and pour the rest on the top of our mixture. And we're just going to scrape that clean. I'm going to use a spatula to evenly spread it out. Once I am done spreading it out evenly, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle the rest of our brown sugar mix on the top. Once done with our brown sugar, I'm going to take my spatula and I'm going to run it through a couple of times like a zigzag so that we have a nice pretty design in the middle with our brown sugar mixture. We're going to put our honey bun cake in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. While our honey bun cake is baking, we're going to go ahead and prepare our icing. I'm using 2 cups of powdered sugar, 4 teaspoons of milk or heavy whipping cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. And I'm just going to mix that up really well. And once our cake is out of the oven and it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour our icing on the top of our honey bun cake. This cake make your house smell really good. It smells just like honey buns. Here's our cake, and I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you love our videos and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.